9 surprising fruits that fight diabetes. There's a widespread misunderstanding that individuals managing diabetes should completely avoid fruits, but this notion is inaccurate. Fruits are rich sources of essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, and they contribute a delightful sweetness often missed in diabetes-conscious diets. Let's explore 9 fruits that are actually beneficial for those with diabetes. First, let's examine what the scientific community has to say about fruit consumption and diabetes. Research from the Harvard School of Public Health suggests that regular fruit intake can decrease the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 23%. Other studies indicate that certain fruits possess anti-obesity, anti-inflammatory, and anti-diabetic properties, and can even help lower levels of LDL cholesterol. While this is promising, it's crucial to understand that not all fruits are equally suitable. Selecting the right type of fruit and moderating intake is essential to avoid blood sugar spikes. So, what makes some fruits more suitable than others? The answer lies in their fiber content. The fruits I'm about to introduce are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which has been shown in numerous studies to help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing carbohydrate digestion and glucose absorption. Now, let's uncover the top 9 fruits ideal for a diabetes-friendly diet. 1. Blueberries. Frequently celebrated as a diabetes ally by health professionals, blueberries boast an impressive nutritional profile. Despite their small size, they are low in calories and abundant in nutrients. A single cup provides approximately 84 calories, comprising 15 grams of carbohydrates and 4 grams of fiber, while consisting of about 85% water. These petite yet potent fruits are rich in vitamin C and K, potassium, and polyphenol, which contribute to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, as well as their capacity to support gut health. Studies have associated blueberries with improved insulin sensitivity and a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. 2. Tart cherries. In a cup of tart cherries, you'll find 60 calories, 15 grams of carbohydrates, 13 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of fiber. The deep, dark red color of these cherries comes from anthocyanins, powerful compounds known for their ability to protect against various health concerns like heart disease and cancer. Remarkably, tart cherries contain a vitamin A content 9 times higher than that of blueberries, with just one serving providing approximately 25% of the daily recommended intake. This not only makes tart cherries a flavorful option but also a highly nutritious one. 3. Peaches. While commonly associated with sweetness, peaches are surprisingly compatible with a diabetes-conscious diet. A medium-sized peach contains merely 58 calories, along with 14 grams of carbohydrates, 12 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of fiber. Research has emphasized the potential of polyphenol-rich peaches to combat hypoglycemia and insulin resistance. When seeking a sweet treat, a ripe peach can be an excellent option. As with any food, moderation is crucial to savoring this fruit without causing excessive spikes in blood sugar levels. 4. Apricots. This smaller cousin of the peach offers a delightful blend of tartness and sweetness. Apricots are renowned for their abundant vitamin A content, essential for preserving good eyesight. Moreover, they are considered one of the safest fruits for keeping blood sugar levels steady. Just 2 fresh apricots provide a mere 34 calories, along with 8 grams of carbs, 6.5 grams of sugar, and 1.5 grams of fiber. Their delightful flavor makes them a fantastic complement to oatmeal, cereal, and a variety of seasonal fruit dishes. 5. Apples. The adage, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," can be fittingly adapted for diabetes control to keep the blood sugar at bay. Apples are rich in fiber and vitamin C, earning their popularity for their low glycemic index, GI, of 32 to 38, indicating they do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. A medium-sized apple, containing about 86% water, provides 95 calories, 25 grams of carbohydrates, 20.6 grams of sugar, and 4.4 grams of fiber. Its convenience as a snack and versatility in salads and cereal bowls make it an excellent choice for individuals monitoring their sugar intake. 6. Oranges. When it comes to diabetes, drawing a comparison between apples and oranges can offer valuable insights. A sweet, juicy orange isn't just refreshing, it's also suitable for diabetes management when eaten in moderation. A medium-sized orange not only fulfills your daily vitamin C requirements but also supplies 62 calories, 15 grams of carbohydrates, 12 grams of sugar, and 3.1 grams of fiber. Indulging in an orange can be a delightful method to incorporate nutrients into your diet without greatly impacting blood sugar levels. 7. Pears. For individuals aiming to boost their dietary fiber intake, pears prove to be an outstanding option. A medium-sized pear provides 5.5 grams of fiber, meeting nearly 20% of the daily recommended fiber intake. Additionally, it offers 101 calories, 27 grams of carbohydrates, and 21 grams of sugar. Research indicates that a combination of pears and apples can potentially lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by as much as 18%. 8. Kiwi. This lively tropical fruit emerges as a vitamin C powerhouse. Kiwi isn't merely a tasty snack, it's a fiber-rich superfood that fosters the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, aiding in blood sugar regulation. Furthermore, its abundance in carotenoids promotes heart health. A standard-sized kiwi contains 42 calories, 10 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of sugar, making it a superb complement to a diabetes-conscious diet. 9. Grapefruit. No list of diabetes-friendly fruits would be complete without mentioning grapefruit. However, it comes with a word of caution. Grapefruit is a nutrient-rich fruit packed with vitamin A, vitamin B6, potassium, and nearly a full day's worth of vitamin C. A medium-sized grapefruit contains approximately 52 calories, 13 grams of carbohydrates, 11 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of fiber. While grapefruit is known for its potential to assist in blood sugar control, it's crucial to recognize that it can interact negatively with certain medications, including common diabetes drugs like metformin. Therefore, it's advisable to consult your healthcare provider before regularly incorporating grapefruit into your diet. As we conclude our exploration of diabetes-friendly fruits, it's evident that managing your condition doesn't mean sacrificing the sweetness and nutritional benefits of nature's bounty. Each fruit we've discussed offers a distinct blend of vitamins, minerals, and fibers that can play a vital role in a well-balanced diabetic diet. Let's quickly recap the key points about these fruits to reinforce how they can fit into your daily meal planning while maintaining optimal blood sugar levels. Blueberries, low in calories, rich in fiber and vitamins, and linked to improved insulin resistance. Tart cherries, abundant in anthocyanins and vitamin A, offering heart and overall health benefits. Peaches, sweet yet diabetes-friendly, with studies suggesting their potential in combating hypoglycemia. Apricots, a low-calorie option high in vitamin A, beneficial for blood sugar stability. Apples, a fibrous fruit that helps regulate blood sugar levels and is versatile in dietary inclusion. Oranges, packed with vitamin C, providing a balanced sweetness and fiber for a healthy diet. Pears, high in fiber, aiding in both diabetes management and daily nutritional needs. Kiwi, a vitamin C powerhouse that also supports gut health and blood sugar control. Each fruit offers unique health benefits and, when consumed in moderation, can be a delightful part of a diabetes-conscious diet. It's essential to monitor your individual response to these fruits by checking blood sugar levels after consumption and consulting with healthcare professionals when necessary, especially regarding potential interactions with medications. Remember, a varied diet with a spectrum of colorful fruits can contribute positively to both managing diabetes and enhancing overall health. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.